Hi everyone, and good evening to every one of you. First of all, a big thank you to each and every one of you who has been the part of Paranox 2.0 hackathon so far. And this energy, this idea, and the enthusiasm you have brought to our hackathon have been very, very appreciated from our side. So here is me and also Chirag. So Chirag will be handling many type of things. So firstly, I want to introduce myself that I am Adil and I am the lead organizer of the Paranox 2.0 hackathon. And I will be explaining all the things that how you can start and how you have to submit your PPT, or how you have to submit your PPT in the phase two uh, idea submission phase, and what are the all things that you have to uh, see that you will be get approved for the next round. So yeah, this side Adil, and I'm the founder of TechX Ninjas. So yeah, Chirag, over to Chirag.
Yeah, hello everyone. This side Chirag Antil and the Chief Operating Officer at the TechX Ninjas. And yeah, I am also handling today's session. We will discuss about how to submit the PPT and what will be the further updates and what will the further communications we have to do. Yeah, now over to you, Adil.
Yeah, great. Thank you, Chirag. And I am very, very super excited to share that we have already crossed 5,000 plus student registrations from across India. Because this is not just a number. It shows the passion of the students and who that what we are building in our community, that is TechX Ninjas. And in this, all the students have joined who want to innovate, who have a real world problem solution, and who want to solve the real problems. Okay, and you have to also build something impactful, right? Okay, so today we are here to announce something really great, something that takes the Paranox 2.0 to the next level, that is the phase 2, that is the idea submission phase. Okay, so before we officially launch the phase 2, I want to share an important update with all of you. We heard your concerns that many of you reached out saying that you were facing some issues in completing your teams, in verifying your mobile numbers and emails. There are some issues that you have to use VPN because of unstop backend issue. So that's why we want to make sure that no deserving team misses out our hackathon. That's why we are extending the phase 1 registration deadline by 14 days. That means you now have time till 28th of September to complete your teams and finish all the verification process. Okay, and this extension is just because to ensure the fairness and also transparency before between you, because you all are getting many type of issues on unstop, and we have already complained to unstop, but because of unstop issue I can't say that after how much time it will be solved. But that's why we are extending our phase 1 registration part by 14 days, means till 28th of September 11:59 p.m. we will be closing the registration, and it will be giving a very good opportunity to every students and equal chance to participate in Paranox 2.0 hackathon. Okay, okay, so now we can start the phase 2 announcement. So just I hope you all understand about the full timeline. We have already launched the 20 we have already launched the event on 20th of August, and idea submission phase is already I can't say already started, but it will be started. Okay, so on 14th of Sep, uh, today at 8 p.m. we will be launching the idea submission phase on Unstop, and I am repeating this, that you will have to submit your PPT that we will be giving on Unstop only, not on any other website. Okay, maybe you will many will say that on which website. Then I'm saying again, on Unstop website you will have to submit your PPT. And we will be taking some midway engagement session also. And on 30th of September, we will be closing the idea submission phase. And it will be not extending the idea submission phase. We can't extend the idea submission phase. So that's why I'm saying that please and please make sure that you will be submitting your PPT, your idea by 28th of September only. Okay. And on the first week of October, we will be announcing the result for the top 200 teams. Okay, and when we will be launching and announcing the top 200 teams, then we will be giving 2 days mentorship round, 2 days mentorship round to all the top 200 ideas, or I can say teams. And then they will be submitting a very improved like their prototype after the improvement, after the mentorship. Okay, and then you will be submitting your idea to us, and then we will be selecting the top 20 ideas. Okay, and then we will be announcing the top 25 ideas, and then the top 25 teams will be coming in the finale round for the mentorship or result round. Okay, and the finale will happening on the 25th of October on at Delhi NCR with mentorship and guidance from mentors, and you will have a chance to win 1 lakh plus prizes. Okay, yeah, so the registration round will be extending it to 28th of September. About the area submission round, so the timeline is 14th of September to 30th of September. The type is submissions through Unstop, and teams means you must submit your concept plus prototype or MVP. Okay, you have to submit your concept means idea and plus prototype or MVP. And problem statements provided by our side, we are already I am going to live our website. Just give me a few seconds. I will be announcing. Okay, so before this before the launching a new like domain on our website, I'm going to explain the submission in PDF format. Okay, so in the PDF format, I will be explaining all the things that how you can grab a very good point. Okay, so PPT format will be given by our side, so you don't have to rush to any other website or any other PPT. Judging criteria will be relevance, uniqueness, feasibility, innovation, clarity, and plagiarism free, etc. There are many judging criteria, but I will be explaining. Okay, so the next thing is PPT submission details. So the type is submission through Unstop. I've already explained. Your unique AI means idea, and based on the problem statement that we will be giving, you will be submitting your idea. It will be a working prototype or MVP demo. Okay, you will not have to build a full prototype. You just have to build a perfect, not perfect because anything can't be perfect, but yeah, you have to submit uh, I can say that type of prototype from which we can understand that what you are building. Okay, you will have to share the tools, you will have to share the team details and skill sets. You will have to choose some tracks that we are giving 4 tracks now. So I hope our website is not live. Just wait for a few seconds, it will be live. Okay, so you have to submit 2 to 3 minutes video, but it is optional, but it will be recommended if you want a good point. Okay, and also official PPT format will be shared to you, and the link will be pinned and also pinned in the comment section also, and also will be mentioned the PPT format on Stop website. Okay, the selection process is that innovation and uniqueness of your project will give you 25 points, means 25% of your total points. Okay, feasibility will give you 20 points of on your idea. Impact will give 20 points on your idea. Prototype quality will give 15% idea, 50%, 15 point. Okay, and clarity and relevance will give 10, and design and UI/UX will give 10 point. Okay, and you have to note, it is must that all submission must be original, plagiarism free, and not AI generated. I am explaining not AI generated. Okay, yes, so I hope you have I have cleared all the things. Okay, so I am announcing the new website. Just
Yeah, guys, by till if you have any doubt, you can drop down in the comment section. We will be answering yours.
Announcing the our website, please take all the Q&As. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So, guys, till now, if you have any doubt, please drop down in the comment section. I will be answering your doubts. Anything related to Paranox 2.0, even from scratch to the being successful in your event, please drop down in the comment section. So, yeah, guys, finally
Uh,
we are live.
yeah. It is not live right now. I am showing the domains. It is not live. Soon it is showing, but when you will refresh this, yes, when you will refresh this, it is taking the time. Just wait for a few seconds. It will be live. Yes, Dev Universe, you have to build a working prototype by the end of 30th September.
Sorry, even a single line.
Yes, by the end of submission
Dev,
round. In the submission round, you have to submit your your prototype also.
and that prototype will be final.
It will be not
No update will be
final,
made.
I can say, like it will be improved in the mentorship and finale round.
Yes, Sanjana Verma, problem statements will be released within few minutes. It will be updated on website also, and here we will also discuss about that.
Why it is not live? Yes, now it is live. So you can just see that we have announced the tracks and themes of our hackathon Paranox 2.0. So we have concluded all the things. We have got many type of feedback also from your side, and we have only chosen four tracks and themes. The first one is artificial intelligence, that you will have to leverage the machine learning, NLP, and computer vision to create intelligent solutions that can learn, adapt, and solve real world problems. So, in this, you can make any type of solution. Okay. It is open innovation, so you can make any type of solution based on these four domains only. Okay, so the first domain or tracks I can say is the artificial intelligence, that is AI. The second one is web3, in which you will have to explore the decentralized web by building d apps, DAO, and other next generation application, okay, on the principle of blockchain and users ownership. The third one is blockchain and DeFi, in which you will have to innovate in the world of finance by creating secure, transparent, and decentralized financial applications. So, and the last one is sustainability and social impact. We have included this because of our Indian societies, I can say, in the social impact, in the empowerment of the social impact, we have included this. We have taken many type of feedbacks from your side, and that's why we are just announcing our four major domains that we are announcing. First one is AI, the second one is Web3, the third one is blockchain and DeFi, the fourth one is sustainability and social impact. So if you have any doubt in this uh, till yet, then you can just ask me here.
Yeah, Mawali, you can little bit go.
Her take chapter, yes, you will get the recorded version for this also. There is no need to worry. Problem statement released. You will have to choose your problem statement. We are not announcing a problem statement because we are just taking it open innovation. And if your idea is coming to these four domains, then you can just submit your idea. Problem statement, sir, I have a doubt regarding the domain. Are the project are going to be exactly according to the domain? I'm not able to understand this question. Can you please explain a little bit? Yeah, there is no need to worry that you have to align it 100%. It is not mandatory. If your idea is just touching the AI, then you can just submit it into AI domain. If your idea is coming to the uh, web3, then you can just submit to web3. And web3 and blockchain are I can say like slightly I can say both are slightly same. Yes, it is a open innovation. There are no any problem statement from our side. There are no any problem and statements. Yes, Piyush, I am sharing the rules and guidelines also. Just give me a few seconds. I am just taking all the Q&As. Yes, this is an open innovation hackathon. Okay, so now I am sharing the PPT that is our official PPT format. Okay, I am just sharing that. Till now, if you have any question, you can just ask me. You can't use the AI for the idea. You can't use the AI for the idea, but you can use the AI for, uh, I can say, for searching the reference, for searching that is it your idea is already in the market or not. uh Hockey gamer, it will be original. Like you have to submit your original idea, not copied from any hackathon. Okay, now I'm sharing.
No, Dev
Okay,
Universe you can't use for coding.
okay, so I have already shared my screen of our PPT template. That is the Paranox 2.0 National Level Innovation Hackathon of 3 months. So in this, you will building, you will be pitching, and you will be winning all the awards. So you just have to add the project title in this. You just have to add team name, track, and the problem statement that you are solving. Okay. Yes, cybersecurity will come under AI. Cybersecurity project you can also submit. Okay, so the second slide is about the problem statement and proposed solution. So in this, you just have to define the problem that you are solving very clearly. If you will be uh, like defining all the problem statements that you are solving in a very clear points, bullet points, then you will get a higher points that we have already included. If you will be doing all the things that we have included, then you will get much more points. Okay, and based on the points, you will be selected in for the next round. Okay, so the next thing is, why is the problem important? You have to share it must be a real world relevance, like relevance in our real world that we are facing the problem. It must be okay. The second thing that you have to submit the proposed solution, that what is the solution you have to describe in a very simpler terms. Okay, how does it solve the identified problem? You just have to share that how your idea is solving the problem that you have mentioned. Okay, the next thing, okay, the first thing that I want to share, the rules and regulation. You just have to replace all the things that we have mentioned, the 4 points, the 4 bullet points. You have to remove, you have to replace from your things. Okay, because we have already seen that many of you will not remove this thing. You will be just submitting 1 to 2 lines after like after adding only 2 to 3 lines. You will be not removing this. Misbah, yes, it will be shared in the group. There is no need to worry for this. And also, PPT will be shared on Honestop, so you don't have to worry about all the things. Okay. Okay. So the next thing is you have to share your working prototype and flow of the solution, in which you will be showcasing your prototype in action. Okay. Because if you will be submitting your idea only, then maybe we will be receiving all the same ideas, maybe because of AI. That's why we have included the working prototype and the flow of solution. You have to must include the screenshots, any demo or any GIFs or workflow screenshot. You have to add the step by step solution flow, that how a user interacts from start to end in your solution. Okay. And the next point is that you have to highlight the key functionalities that you are building. Okay. The next is you have to mention what is working now vs what is planned on in the roadmap, in your idea what you have planned, and for that same problem what is currently going on. Okay, you have to just share this. And also you have to share any diagram or any flow chart to make it easy to understand for us, so we can give you much more point. So it will be totally game on earning the point based on the PPT. Okay. Yeah, so the next thing is we will be giving 10 point on the based on the design and UI UX. So you will have to explain how the UI and UX improves user experience. You have to mainly focus on simplicity, accessibility and usability. If you have built a project and it will be not used by anyone, so it is not a project, it is not a good project. Okay. And you have to also highlight any creative design choices that make your solution stand out. Okay. So the next thing is innovation and uniqueness. So you must have to share that what is unique in your idea, so we can just give you the point. You have to highlight your USP. I hope you all understand USP, unique selling proposition. Yes, fan page, you have to submit the same PPT, like you have to work on the same PPT. No, you can't change the background. If you will be changing any background, then you will be directly rejected from our side. And also for the innovation and uniqueness, you have to share any creative and novel features if you have got for your idea. Okay. So the next thing is feasibility and impact. I hope you all understand about the feasibility, that what is the practicality of your solution. If you have built your solution and it will be in only theoretical and it can't be implemented as a practical, then it will be not feasible for anyone. The next thing is technical and financial feasibility also. If you have built a project of 1000 rupees, and maybe that you are solving the solution, the problem is only 10 rupees or 100 rupees, then your solution is not good, not very best. So also you have to submit challenges and how you will overcome them. And also you have to submit the competitor analysis that you will be getting when you will be launching your project in the market, in the current market. Okay. You will have to share the potential impact of your solution, what is social impact, what is technical impact, and what is business impact. The three things you have to share. And who benefits from it and how. Like if you will be giving a solution to only students, so students will be benefited, and how the students will be benefited. Okay. And the short term and long term benefits of your solution, you have to just submit. Okay. The next thing is that you have to submit is the technologies used. What will be the tech stack that you will be using in your idea. Okay. And you have to list all the major technologies, frameworks and tools that you will be using in your idea. And you will have to categorize into front end, back end, database, APIs or integrations, and also other tools, that is GitHub, Docker and Figma. Okay. So you have to also mention why these technologies you are using, why you have chosen this, why not Canva instead of Figma, why not GitHub instead of uh, I like I don't have any thing that can replace the GitHub. Okay, so I can't share this. Okay, so you have to highlight that if you use any cutting edge technology or any trending tech, so you have to share this also. Okay, so yes, so the next thing that you have to share with us, that is clarity and relevance. So you will have to make sure that your idea is clearly explained for us. If we will be not able to understand your idea and your idea is very super powerful, then you will be not getting any point, because you have not explained in with very clarity. Okay, so how relevant is to current and industry social needs, you have to share, and keep it crisp and easy to understand for the evaluators, so that we can give you points on the basis of your PPT. And also you have to share relevance, that how much relevance is your idea in the current market. Okay, and the second and last step slide of our PPT is the add as per the requirements for the hackathon or your idea. So you have to share anything that you want to give and earn a much more points for your idea. You have to share a very powerful thing, so that you can get bonus points. So we will be giving the bonus points based on the ninth slide. It is the ninth slide of our PPT, so you will be getting the bonus points based on the ninth slide. Yeah, so the last slide is that research references and future scope. So you have to share any research paper that is based on your idea, any articles or any tools that you are using, references and links. If you want to share, then you can just submit it to us. And also future roadmap, that how you plan to scale your solution to a startup. Because our like I can say our slogan is that you have to build a पैसे छापने की machine or a startup. Okay, so you have to also take that how you can build your idea to the पैसे छापने की machine. Okay, and you have to must replace all the pre-written points that I have included, so that you will be getting and you will be adding your things. I hope I have explained all the things. So this is the last slide of our PPT. Okay, there are 10 slides. Yes, 9 slides excluding title slide. Exactly. Exactly. Okay, so if you have any question, you can just ask from my side, from me. I am stopping my screen. Okay, so now I will be taking all the questions and answer. So Chirag will be helping for me. Okay,
Yeah,
so
guys.
yes, Chirag, go ahead for all the things. I'm just pinning all the Q&A Q questions, and just you have to solve it.
Yeah. I can submit cybersecurity project also now. Yeah, you can submit cybersecurity project, Piyush. But it should be like touching all the domains we have posted on the site. Will be the PPT shared on the group later? Yeah, it will be shared on group also, and the main source for the PPT will be Unstop. On Unstop, where you
Yes.
registered with your team, the main source will be the Unstop for that. We have to submit our code also. Not your code, but it will be taken as it is a guideline for from our side. You have to make your code visible on what backend source we are going to give you.
You don't have to share your code, you just have to share your deployment, that where are you deploying. If you are deploying on GitHub, then you have to share the deployment ID or deployment website, so we can check the prototype. You must have to share your prototype, otherwise you will be rejecting.
Is this PPT are we getting that video git? For video git and screenshot, you can prefer the ninth slide, Mawali Gamers. For whoever is wanting to check out. Move on, Adit. Can I use my research paper to make a project? Research paper is not open. Adil, can you answer this?
Yes, of course you can use your research paper. If it is not published yet, also you can just use your research paper.
Yeah, as a reference, you can use it because in research paper also you have done a lot references, lot research about that. There's no limit to number of slides we can insert. Right? No, there's a limit of slide numbers. Only 10 slides you can use. The 10 slides which we are giving in the .pptx form, in PPT form. Can I make a project on theme agriculture? Yeah, theme can be anything, but the domains you should touch that we have given on our website.
You can include any social and sustainability thing in your agriculture project, then it will be submitting on that thing. Also, if you are using any AI part, then you can submit in the AI.
This will be getting
Or it is the
next
same
part.
thing.
Yeah, same. Same. Move on. When we will submit our PPT to you. Sunil, you will be getting a deadline for the PPT submission, that is 28th of September. Before that, you can
Uh,
submit.
Chirag, it is not 28th, I guess. It is 30th of September.
Okay, so
Yes,
yeah, Sunil, sorry
30th.
for that. 30th of September is the last deadline for the PPT submission. Before that, you can submit anytime. Last date 30th of September. If the coding is not a main point, you'll find.
Main point I am not able to understand, but I guess I have like understood your question that you can submit. Can you submit a partially working model? Of course, you can share a partially working model. If it will be a very good idea, then we will be selecting you. And also you must have to build your fully workable model in the grand finale, so you don't have to share your fully working complete model in the PPT. There is no need, you just have to share a partial working model that is working. I'm sharing a working prototype, means that type of prototype which is just working, just you can explain all the things about your idea.
If there is a limit, to embed the video in PPT. Adil, if
Yes.
I
If
guess
there is limit in 10 slide, is it okay to embed the video in PPT? You will have an option, an optional option for the video submission. There is no need to attach the video link in the PPT.
this is
Bro, we are giving you 14 days time, and many hackathons will give you only 3 days time for the coding part. I hope you can understand.
any other doubt, guys?
If yeah, if you have any question, you can just let me know so I can explain. Yeah, and also I'm sharing the PPT, the drive link of the PPT, so you can just download from here. Okay, wait. If you have any question, you can just let me know. Can we change? No, bro, you can't change the PPT background. I have already shared no that you can't change your PPT background.
Any other query, guys?
Okay, so I am sharing one docs link from, you can just go to the docs link and download the PPT. Okay.
Yes, and you can see the problem statement. Not actually the problem statement. We are not sharing the problem statement, but we are sharing the domains on which can your project will be related to, and the domains will be are released on the our official website. You can check domains on our official website.
Guys, I'm explaining it again about the problem statement and the tracks and themes. What is the difference between them? The difference between the tracks or domains, I can say, and the problem statement is the main difference is that in the domain you can submit any idea that is related to that domain, but in the problem statement, if your idea is not aligning to the problem that we have, like any hackathon is giving you, then it your idea will be rejected automatically. That is the main thing that we are solving, because our hackathon is an open innovation. That's why you can submit your any idea if your idea is aligning with our domain. And there are four domains. One is AI, that is artificial intelligence. The second one is Web3. Okay, the third thing is blockchain and DeFi. Okay, and the fourth domain is the social impact and the sustainability. I hope you can understand where we see the problem statement.
Upsides,
You can
website.
just go to this website that I have showed. Uh, okay, Adil, I
Prashant,
have
you
one
can
more
use
doubt.
only 10 slides.
Yes, Piyush, if you have any other doubt, please let me know. Problem statement is given. Of course, how many PPT slides can we use in explaining problem? For each slide, I'm saying you just have to use only one slide. You can't increase the PPT slide number of slides in our PPT. You can't submit 11 slides PPT.
Adil, you can
Yes,
keep
Dev
this.
Universe. I will be adding in the YouTube channel. Also, I will be sharing on Unstop. Also, I'll be sharing on in the group, so you don't have to worry about it. 10 slides का ही लिमिट है. अगर आप 11 slides का करेंगे, आपका कितना भी बेस्ट आइडिया होगा, you will be get rejected. I am explaining that you will be automatically get rejected. Website link in the group. Surely, I can share the website link in the group. Also, I'll be attaching the link in the on the website. Okay, don't worry about it. Yep, I've shared. Check in the group. Is there anything else if you want to ask? For the PPT submission, in for the idea submission phase, I want to just clear one thing, that one video of 4 to 5 minutes I will be creating, that how you can submit your idea or your PPT on Unstop, and how you have to fill the form. And that's why the second phase, that is idea submission phase, on our Unstop portal is not live yet. We have extended it on 8 p.m. today, and now we are extending it at 9 p.m., because we don't want to give you any issues that you will be facing in the idea submission phase. Okay. Piyush, if
Yeah,
you
Misbah, you
have
have
any
to
midterm,
submit.
we can't do it.
Yeah, Misbah, you have to submit before the 30th of September. 30th of September is the
बस
deadline for the
पीपीटी.
PPT submission.
हाँ, बट बस पीपीटी शेयर नहीं करना है, आपको प्रोटोटाइप भी सबमिट करना है. कैन वी गेट एनी पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम टू वर्क ऑन इट, और कैन बी आवर ओन आइडिया एज वेल? यू आपका ओन आइडिया भी हो सकता है. योर ओन आइडिया विल बी ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. And also, if you want the problem statement, some sample of the problem statement, then we'll be surely sharing with you. Don't worry about it. But we want to make it an open innovation. That's why we have not included any problem statement type thing. Sakti, you can just see the recorded session also.
Yeah, Sonia, you too. You can refer the recorded session on this channel. It will be published very short. Like after 1 2 minutes, it will be live on the YouTube channel.
No, no, it is already live. You can just go to back also. But I'm summarizing all the things also, because we have already 8 minutes time. Enough. It is enough to summarize all the things. Okay. So I am summarizing all the things. The first thing that I have already announced, that about the extension of the registration phase, that we have extend our registration phase to 28th of September, because many are facing many type of issues because of unstop, and that's why we had extended our registration phase to 20th of September. It will be live by just 5 minutes after the closing of this session. I will be extending the registration phase. Don't worry about that. Next thing that I want to summarize, that for the idea submission, you can just refer to our PPT that we have already shared to you. And when you will be opening the PPT, then you will be able to see 10 slides. So you just have to check all the things that we have already included on each slide, and then you will be able to understand all the things about the domains. I am explain There are 4 domains from our side. We are not giving any problem statement. We are just giving you domain and tracks and themes, because it is an open innovation hackathon, and that's why we don't want to restrict you because you have any another idea uh, instead of our problem statement. Misbah, yes, you can do it after 9 p.m. Okay, so this is our Paranox hackathon website. Please check it. All the things will be clearly mentioned on our website. For the finale, if you can reach, you will be getting the capital. I can't like confirm it, but maybe if any investors will come, like we are pitching already or many type of investors. So if any investors will come to our our finale, then maybe they will be giving you some funds, and also they will be giving you mentorship round. Like not mentorship round, they will be giving you mentorship from their
But
company side.
it is not assured from our side. It totally depends
Yes.
on the sponsors and
Yeah. But we have already pitched to many type of investors. Okay, so let's see what is happening, and if any investors will come, maybe the first and the second winner will get some other prizes also, like other than our prizes, they will be getting any type of investment for their ideas that you are saying capital. Okay, so anything else if you want to know, then you can just let me know in the comment section, otherwise I will be wrapping up this session.
I guess now all doubts are cleared. No one is asking in the comment section. So we can wrap up again.
Yeah, just wait for a few seconds. So maybe anyone will be typing. And also, there are some submission guidelines that I want to share with you. That the submission must be uploaded on the platform that is unstop only, and before the deadline, that is 30th of September, 11:59 p.m. And we'll be not extending it. So that's why we are just saying you that you can submit your PPT, your idea, your prototype by 28th of September. Please do it. Otherwise, maybe in the last 2 days, you will be facing any issues and we will be not able to solve you. That's why.
Yeah,
And
they
we will
will.
be not responsible for anything.
You can message in the discussion group or a doubt group we
Yeah,
are having in
exactly.
our community.
Exactly. And also, only one submission per team is allowed. And only the team leader have to submit the PPT. And also, I am sharing some tips for the only 22 participants that are seeing right now. They are waiting for some tips. So that's why I want to share some tips that you have to clearly state the problem that you are solving, your solution that you are building, and the technology stack that you have used. Okay. And also include a prototype wherever. Okay, like the much possible prototype you can submit. Please share, please submit. Also you like flow of the solution, fireworks or any frameworks, please share this. Like you will be getting many bonus points from this these things. And also live links are very encouraged. If you have any live link of your website, then you can share this. Okay. And yes, so I have included all the things. And also, if you have not joined our WhatsApp group, please and please join the WhatsApp group. So you will be getting all and all the help from our side. Okay, please do it right now. I'm sharing the WhatsApp group link also here, so you can just join the group if you have not joined. Okay, please join this WhatsApp group that I have shared. Okay, we have only 1 minute and 20 seconds. Sir, can we will get previous year PPT as demo? Uh, Previous year PPT, actually for the last year, that is Paranox 1.0, we did not give and restrict with the PPT. They just have to share any prototype. They just have to share a prototype. In just 7 days, they have made all the things. And we have concluded our Paranox 1.0 in just 15 days. And in all the things in online mode. Okay.
Yeah, it was very short timeline, short
Yes.
event. But now this time it was 3 month national level hackathon, guys, and it will be grand finale in offline event, which will be in Delhi NCR, and location
Uh,
you guys already know, Dilwalo ki Dilli in
yes,
Delhi.
Dilwale Ki Dilli.
Yeah,
Okay, so I guess we can wrap up this meet because we have only 10 seconds left in the 1 hour. So thank you all the innovators. A big thank you to everyone, and also a big thank you to Chirag who has helped me a lot in handling the session. And also your energy, your questions, all the things are very truly special for me. We hope you are now all set and excited to take on phase 2 of the Paranox 2.0. And remember, this is just the beginning. So stay creative, stay connected, and keep building amazing solutions. And this side, Adil Latif, keep learning and keep signing. Thank you so much.
thank you guys.